If the Dalex company were to be described in a word, the exit essence can be found in the Dalex slogan, "Experience World's Future." Dalex has been in existence for more than 100 years. Now, as in the beginning, it is your expert for all processes around the system's welding. Our products can be found, for instance, in essential components in the automotive industry and in aviation and aerospace technologies and much more. Thanks to the high solution expertise in the field of rotary and transfer systems, robot cells and special welding systems, Dalex always offers production-tailored economical plan concepts. We achieve customer-friendly solutions who foster collaboration of our departments. Even at the project planning stage, the switches are set for optimal cooperation. Robotic simulation and the use of our technology center, where spot, projection and theme welding machines in AC, DC, MF and KE design are available for preliminary tests and show our customers of the functionality of our solutions even before the order is placed. From arc welding to construction of the variety of resistance welding systems for industry, Dalex has developed into a competent partner for special systems engineering around resistance welding, MAG welding and laser welding. Accounting for fully 2/3 of annual volume for years, special STEM engineering has emerged as an uprising USP for the benefit of our customers. Take advantage of our experience in special systems and our experience in resistant welding technology. Then Dalex will weld your future too.